begin the coding of doing this word search application, open Visual Studio Code and create 3 files, one an HTML file, a CSS file and a JavaScript file. In the HTML file, add links to the CSS and the Bootstrap as well as to the JavaScript files. Now in the body section, let us create a division with class name of card wrapper, and let us create another division for content, and let us create one more input box which has a maximum length of 1 so that it accepts only one character. Now let us create another division with name details and add the hint, the number of guesses that are left and the wrong letters. This will be displayed here. Now there is one more button to reset. So this is the whole thing about the HTML. So this is how it looks like. Now let us start creating the CSS. So open the style.css file and inside the body make the align items as center, justify content as center, and you can even add a background image and make the display as flex as shown in the video. Now for the card wrapper class, I am setting a width and a background color of white and a border radius of 10 pixels. Now for the h1 tag inside the wrapper class, so these are the settings that are being made. That is, I am making a font size of 25 pixels, font weight of 500 and padding of 20 and 25 pixels on each sides. Then giving a border bottom of solid white color and aligning it as center. The styling of our CSS class has been done. Now let's start with the JavaScript part. So create a JavaScript file called word.js of word list and add the word and the hint inside the word.js file. So once that is created, let us modify our script.js file. Now we are getting the inputs, that is from our text box. And from the hint we are getting the hint from the HTML. So we are basically creating the variables to store the hint, guesses and the wrong letters, and the key that is typed. Now let us create a function called random word and a random item will be created from the word list, that is from the list of the items that are in our word.js file, and this is stored inside the word. And if the word length is greater than 5, you have got 8 guesses. Otherwise, you have got only 6 guesses. Now we will create an array for correct letters and incorrect letters. Now for the number of characters that are there in the word, that many text boxes will be created, so that when the correct letter is typed, that will be displayed inside that text box for that word. So that is the function of this that is the functionality of our function called random word. Now let us create another function called initGame, and here we are creating a key, and we are converting that whatever value we are getting, that we are converting to lowercase, and this key will accept only letters. So if our word is contained, if our word has the key inside it, it is added into the correct letters array, and inside the input this key value will be displayed. Otherwise, it is added into the incorrect letters array. Each time when we write the character inside the input box, the max guesses will be decreased by 1, and it will be displayed in the screen as wrong letters. Now let us create one more method for the reset button. So this is how our guess the word looks right now. Let us create a set timeout method, and if the correct letters is equal to the word length, then an alert will be displayed that the correct word, and the word will be printed. Otherwise, another alert will be printed which will alert the user that the number of guesses are over, and the correct letter will be displayed on the screen. is the final code is ready, and let us do a demo. So yes, if we write the correct word, it will display the wrong letters and it will display an error. So if you do the correct word, it will display the alert like congrats, the word is correct, like that. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you do, please do like and comment on this video and share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you are a new member here.